Okay, to change out the suction cup on the Magic Gripper, all you have to do is change out this portion, also known as a sealing lip. You don't need to change out the entire unit once the suction cup is worn or if the object changes. And you can do so by just grabbing one portion of the lip, just peeling it off just like this, and popping off the stopper like so. Now we do have many different types of suction cups with different materials and sizes. This is the X lip and it's perfect for any thin, plastic or pouch bags. And the XP lip is similar to the X lip, but it is great for any applications with very thin plastic or pouch bags. The U lip is perfect for any applications with corrugated, cardboard, or objects with a flat surface. The P lip is perfect for applications that has a plastic or pouch bag but is a little bit thicker. And the sponge lip is perfect for any applications with an uneven surface. Now you can change these out by just grabbing the stopper and the new suction cup. And for the X type, you can just slide it over like this. Make sure it's secure. And for the XP lip, as you can see, just slide one corner of it inside and go around the ring. Make sure it's securely locked into the neck, just like that. And for the U lip, you can do the same. Just go around on one side and just go around the ring. Make sure it's locked in. The P lip is similar to the XP type. You can just put in one corner, go around the ring, and make sure it's secure. Now I'd like to show you how to assemble it back together. Once again, just grab the suction cup, slide it over the stopper, and you can assemble it by putting one corner of it in, just popping it right in, just like that. And then you can take off the stopper again, like so. No tools required, very easy. And for the sponge type, you actually don't need a stopper and you can just slide it in at an angle. Just pop it right in.